Hey guys, my name is Vitas and today my beard is 7 months old. In this video I'm gonna share the mistakes I made in my beard growth journey, and there were a lot. So the number one mistake I see a lot of people do, and I did myself plenty of times, you need to give some time for your beard to grow. Back in the day I used to grow my beard for 4 weeks or 6 weeks. It will look kinda patchy, I didn't like the patches, I thought I would never be able to grow a proper beard, so I would shave it off. But the thing is, even for me, to grow a short beard, it takes at least 2 months. And if I want a longer beard, I need to let it go for 3 or 4 months to let the patches grow in. So don't make my mistake and don't shave it too early. Give it at least 3 months, and if your beard grows slowly, then at least 6. Now, once you start growing out your beard, do not compare your beard to other beards. It's not a competition. First thing, you're a man, and the thing is, we're all different and our beards are gonna be different. I would look at a guy who had a massive beard and I would go like, I will never have something like that. But in reality, those big beards, they take a lot of time to grow and they take a lot of maintenance. And you can't compare your 3-month beard to the ones that were nurtured for years. So stop doing that, learn to appreciate your own beard and accept it for what it is. It's very silly to stress over not being able to grow a beard. Another thing that used to put me off from growing my beard was that I didn't even bloody know how to trim the beard or look after it. So I have a lot of neck hair, and if I let it grow out, it looks really ugly. Even I don't like it. And the simple solution to that is just to shave it off. But back in the day, there weren't any YouTube videos. I didn't have anybody to ask. I couldn't find any information, so I just didn't do it. And I would look at my mess on the face, and eventually I would just shave it off. So find some information online and just make it easy for yourself and learn how to trim the beard. And if you don't want to do that, just find a good barber and let them do it for you. Once I started trimming my beard, I started trimming it too much. So I would grow it out for 3-4 months, and then I would look at it and some side wasn't even. It needed a trim and I started cleaning it up and I would trim one side. Then I trimmed the other side, then the other side wasn't even, so I trimmed that, and I was going back and forth. Until eventually I would either get rid of half of my beard, or I would get frustrated and shave it off completely. So if your beard is a little uneven, it's okay, it's a beard, it's not supposed to be perfect. Just remember, less is more, and do not over trim it. I had a lot of tangles in my beard, the hair was curly, it was all over the place. And it was a complete life changer once I got a beard comb as a present. It straightened out my beard and made it look a lot nicer. And now I brush my beard every day. Also, after every shower, I blow dry and comb my beard. It gives my beard fullness and fluffiness, and it just makes it look a lot better. Now, if you don't want to repeat my mistakes, go check out my other videos.